Eater's hiccups. Welcome to our clubhouse. Ooh, say, do you like to sing? Well, I'd love to sing. Did somebody say sing? Today is extra special day because we're going to sing on the Mary TV show. In our friends and families. Oh, I'm so nervous. Not me. I'm ready. I'm ready for my close-up. We better get practicing. Here we go. For you and me. P-A-N-I-E-L-T-I-G-E-R. Daniel Tiger. Eater Heat Puppy. Daniel Tiger. Eater Heat Puppy. Oh. Hey, Eater, you got the hiccup.
Well done, bro.
No,
Let me give it to you first. I went to show him I was going to give him something, but he opened his mouth so quick it bounced off his nose and...
Oh, Eater, we have to get rid of your hiccups. Why? Because you can't see with the hiccups.
It bounds up.
Oh, sure I can. What's this?
Nobody got more than the other. It's all fair and square. Yes, thank you. That was so good. And I didn't even want it. I'm glad I did though.
You ran right out and ate a honey bun.
No, I ain't ate a honey.
Oh.
Telling you, man, it's hard living out here, boy. I'm just... That's why I was telling Alyssa, I said, girl, I don't eat fast food no more. I can't tell you the last time I had fast food.
It'd be like, I know it.
It's when me and you went to McDonald's and we ate breakfast. I have not had fast food. Even when Kendall has had it, I have not bought myself
to
any.
get rid of Peter's hiccups.
Really? I haven't.
Whoa, that's easy. Just say pineapple.
I thought I'd be going all the time, you know. Nope. I don't even want it. Weird.
Then when you get it,
Whoa,
yeah,
this is a
you
pineapple.
it's like,
Pineapple.
I wouldn't miss one.
You know what I really think it is for me? It makes me sick to my stomach to think how much money I've wasted on food.
Oh, yeah.
I mean, serious. Me and Mom were now
we're
talking.
supposed to
I ate twice a day almost at work.
That's what I said. When I started IUPUI, I was doing the same thing. I'd go out. No, well, yeah, I'd go down in the morning, get biscuits and gravy. And
Welcome to the Mary Show. And boy,
Once I started
do we have some
taking
special
leftovers,
guests for you today.
that's $15
It's
a day.
the
That's
Daniel
one month.
Tiger
$15
Clubhouse
a day I'm
Singers.
saving.
Yeah.
Oh,
So I was spending about $20 a day.
oh, Daniel, we can't sing with these hiccups. Oh, well, I'll never get to be on the television. Looks like we're gonna need some help from our friends. Will you help us get rid of our hiccups of our hiccups, so we can all sing on the club on the Mary Show. Well,
I'm gonna show you something later.
diddle
Oh
diggity.
my God, it's so cool.
Come
I
on,
mean, so cool.
come on, everybody.
I was
Let's
just
go
looking
get
at her
some
like,
Daniel
wow,
tools.
you did that, honey? She's like, yeah.
From the Daniel door.
And I told her, I said, you
Oh,
take your
boy.
time
Oh,
and you draw
boy.
your pictures a little bit neater and you
Daniel
write your words
Hagel,
not so
Daniel
close, your letters
Hagel.
so close together. I said, just take your time. You're not in a big hurry.
Oh,
I said, you'll get
I
better and
cannot
better
sing
every
with these hiccups.
time. And she made it was a video and
Oh,
it was,
just. Oh.
you know how she does her videos. But this, she would video with her talking, but it was different voices. So she uses that iPad to make the voices go write the sentence in and then pick a voice to say that sentence during the recording that she's drew. So she's got to do like 3 or 4 different things with music. I wish I knew like if there was something out there that would help her, like if there's a camera or something out there that does a lot of what she has
That's
to
what we
do.
thought before when we got a video camera, so she would never use a phone or something.
Yeah, but she
It changed it for her, and she don't want to change for one.
A glue stick.
That's why a lot of times she gets
Tuck
something, she'll touch
dancing
it for a
shoes.
year, and all of a sudden she
And
really
the mystery Daniel tool. That's a surprise tool that can help us later. Look, it's a hand puppet. Whoa. Oh, hand puppet. Oh, gosh. Hey there. Hand puppet is gonna bring us our Daniel tools when we need them. Now we can get rid of our hiccups. And I got an idea. We could try the hiccup cure I used when I was little. Oh, what is it, Daniel? We can. Well, all you gotta do is jump up and down and count to 12. You ready? Come on, jump.
they're going pretty good.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 12. Did you hear all our hiccups? It worked! Our hiccups are gone!
What's crazy, it don't really seem like he's like
Margaret still has the hiccups.
Like
I noticed that last night.
panicky.
Mom still has the hiccups.
Yeah.
Peter still has the hiccups.
It's just normal routine.
And Dad still has the hiccups. And Doggy still has the hiccups too. Oh, I know how to make hiccups go away. It's a special dance called the hiccup polka. The hiccup polka? Uh-huh.
That was a massage. That wasn't a real rub or a scratch.
Okay, but first, I need something to help tap the rhythm. Oh, I know.
I didn't even
We
scratch
don't
it.
check our Daniel
I just,
tools?
like put my hands on it and massage.
Why don't we check our Daniel tools? Great idea, Margaret. Everybody say, oh, hand puppet. Oh, hand puppet.
See somebody walking over here. Behind the fence.
Let's see, a glue stick, tap dancing shoes, and our mystery Daniel tool. Which Daniel tool can Mom used to tap a rhythm?
She always looks over here to make sure it's safe.
And we do too.
The tap dancing shoes. You betcha.
Like right now,
We got ears. Say cheers.
He was dark. I think he would listen to you. I don't think he'd listen to Mom.
Tap
But I think he
tap
knows
the
you're-
hiccup polka
you're-
dot.
Yeah.
Polka with me.
He does too.
Everybody. All
Like
right.
the other day.
Stand
You
up
gotta keep doing it because you don't hear
and
it.
tap with us.
So, you know.
Stand up, everybody.
And then he does
Now
hear it.
tap your feet.
Finally.
1 and
Well, it's
2
like that
and
first
3.
yell.
Two,
Like that first yell, you know, he might hear, but then it's that second. Because I
He
get.
didn't hear the first one.
Well, yeah, and he was probably growling and barking too. So.
Everybody was yelling. She was screaming because the dog was running straight at her. Randy's yelling at my dog like that ain't gonna do no good because he don't let
He don't know
me.
you.
You gotta just let me do it. And he could. I don't think he heard me over everybody else. And that third time I yelled. I don't remember what I yelled. But boy, he stopped and dropped. He just went to his belly and he turned around. And he stayed low to the ground all the way back. He went the long way around. He went all the way around there. And then came back to the porch. I
Oh,
was standing
my
right there.
hiccups are gone too.
He was not gonna go near me. But he knew he was in serious trouble.
But Eater still has the hiccups.
Quit.
Oh, brother. And Dad still has the hiccups.
The big dog. I don't know if you want to think.
And Doggy
That's the
still
lady.
has the
That's the lady
hiccups
that
too.
walked her dog the other day that he really.
Yeah, she's
So,
got short hair, don't she?
I never
When the
came
green
to see her
potion
too
is
well. I
mixed
see
with
the white
green
dog.
potion,
Oh, yeah.
the mixture will
And she got
go
on a
poof.
leash.
Yeah.
Remember, do not
And
try
that
to
she should be on
experiment at
something, but-
home.
He's not familiar with it.
He's not real smart with it because
Choked
he wants to.
himself right away. He's like, and I never even got to tighten up anywhere.
Marvelous.
You know what's crazy though? Like I was saying the other day, is when I take him somewhere, he will
Simply
pull me like
marvelous.
crazy.
Next
and I
on
did
the
that little
show,
trick. I
the
didn't give
chipmunks.
him much slack, and I had
Followed
that.
by
Something to
tonight's
smack him
special
with.
and I
guest.
smacked him one time, and after
The
that he
Dino
walked
Tiger
with me. But I
Clubhouse
do still notice
singers.
when you're going somewhere, he pulls you. But when you come home,
We're going
And I bet, like, if you carried that belt on and he knew it, I bet he wouldn't do it at all.
no, he wouldn't.
I think he
to
knows
get
what he's
rid
doing
of
wrong,
hiccups.
but he's
Well,
he's
what
so
do you
excited
know?
about pulling out there, getting out there first.
That's what
It
it is. 'cause
says
look, he'll
here
pull me
that
up that
taking
hill,
a
but
bath
coming back, he'll walk
can get
slowly
rid of
right
the
next to me.
hiccups.
Not a problem. It's like he wants to. When he's
But
going
only
somewhere,
Went up
he's
there and
if
checked
the
it all out
water's
first.
just
But
right.
then when he's
Not
coming
too
back,
hot,
he's perfectly
not too
fine.
cold.
I pull one, he will walk right next to
Oh
me. No
boy!
Hmm.
Oh
So it's
boy!
like when you're
Whoa!
going somewhere, he's too excited, you don't know where you're going, and when
Yeah.
on the way
Dude,
back, he's like, oh,
just
we're
the
going back home.
beginning.
You know, he
Oh.
every time I go out there,
Oh,
he runs
no.
to, he thinks he's
The
gonna
water's
walk
too
all
cold.
the way to
Well,
the,
How
I'll
will
go out
we
there and look
know
back
when
at
the
him, and I'm
water's
like,
just
"I'm not
right?
He zeroed in on that spot where he seen somebody, but he didn't
Maybe
definitely see
one
him
of
through the
our
fence
Daniel
walking back,
tools can
so
help
he's
us.
just still watching that spot for him. Unless he's watching the
Maybe
apartment,
one of
but
our Daniel tools can help us. Great idea, Mom.
he worries more about the dogs
Everybody
next
say,
door than
Oh, hand puppet.
anything else.
Oh,
And
hand
that's how it's gonna be
puppet.
ugly down there.
you're gonna have to get brushed."
Oh, gosh. Can we use a glue stick to tell the temperature? Nah, that's silly. Hey, this means it's time for the Mystery Daniel tool. Everybody say, Mystery Daniel tool. Mystery Daniel tool. Today's Mystery Daniel tool
Yeah,
is,
right. Right.
whoa, a toy thermometer. Can a thermometer help us to tell the temperature? Ding ding. It sure can. We got ears.
Close the blind.
Say cheers.
You're not going out.
We need to get the water temperature just right. Uh-huh. When the temperature goes down to the blue area, that means the water is too cold. When it goes up into the red area, it means the water is too hot. And when the temperature goes to the green area, that means the water is just right. Uh-oh, the temperature is down to the blue area. Is the water too hot or too cold?
that swelling
Oh,
she got into
it's
there.
too
So
cold.
we're gonna have to do
To warm it up,
Yeah.
do we add cold water or hot water?
Jealous much?
Hot water. That's right. Let's try it and see. When the temperature goes to the green area, say, that's right. Just right. Look, we did it. The temperature is just right. Oh boy. Oh boy. Oh boy. Say, let's see if taking a bath got rid of anyone's hiccups. See if Puppet still has the hiccups. And Dad still has the hiccups. True. And Doggy hiccups went away. Hey! Doggy's hiccups went away. Good job, everyone. Let me see the book. Let's see. The book says you can also get rid of hiccups by 50 in the airplane. You live in the airplane? You guys can take a 2-plane. Haha, come on. Knock it off. Ah!
Are you making a
She said
video?
knock it
Yeah.
off.
Alright.
She's in the middle making a
You
video.
know how to fly, right?
He stopped
Right,
and
Dad?
You ain't going
For
out.
he just
sure.
said it, and then
It's as
looked at her,
easy as 1, 2,
I know.
to 5.
Then I just started feeling. She said,
Oh, brother. No. Gosh. Daniel, look. The tail feathers are missing on the tube plane. Finally. They fell up. never get rid of the hiccups. Well, sure we will. I betcha a Daniel tool can help us. Everybody say, oh, here, puppet.
good.
Oh, here, puppet.
Got work to do.
Can a glue stick
I'm
help
going
us put the tail
Alright.
feathers back on the plane?
Oh.
Ding, you betcha. We've picked all our Daniel tools. Say, super cheers. Super cheers. Count the feathers with me.
That's what I told her. I said it's
At least
right.